Peace be upon you, dear students. Let's stop for a grammar lesson. It's really easy and interesting. Read the following with me. Dad and I went to the airport. Dad and I went to the airport. What do I call this? Yes, it's a sentence. It's a complete, meaningful sentence. How many ideas are there in this sentence? Dad and I went to the airport. Yes, one idea or one thought. I have only one complete thought in my sentence. When I have only one complete thought in my sentence, then my sentence is a simple sentence. Let's read more examples. I don't like green olives on my pizza. I don't like green olives on my pizza. This is a complete sentence. How many ideas are there? Yes, one idea or one complete thought. Martha is very smart. This is also a complete sentence consisting of how many ideas? You're right, one complete idea or one complete thought. The girls painted animal pictures. Again, I have here a complete sentence formed of one thought or idea. The fridge is empty. I have one idea or one thought in this complete and meaningful sentence. So in every sentence there is one and only one complete thought. What do I call these sentences? They are simple sentences. Now read the following sentence with me. I wanted to buy 2 new hats, but I didn't have the budget. I wanted to buy 2 new hats, but I didn't have the budget. How many ideas or thoughts are there in this sentence? I wanted to buy 2 new hats. This is one complete idea. I didn't have the budget. This is another good idea and complete one. So I say there are 2 complete thoughts or ideas. Here's another sentence. Anna was out of milk, so she went to the store. Anna was out of milk, so she went to the store. This is all one sentence. But the question is, how many ideas or thoughts are there in this sentence? One complete idea. Anna was out of milk. Another complete idea. She went to the store. Yes, they are 2 complete thoughts. Now think of these questions. Does each of the previous sentences still consist of one idea or thought? Are these sentences still called simple sentences? No, they are no longer simple sentences. A sentence that consists of 2 simple sentences is called compound sentence. Read these examples. I love carrots, but I hate broccoli. How many ideas do I have here? I love carrots. I hate broccoli. I have two simple sentences joined into one. So I call this a compound sentence. Number 2. Scamp is a good pet and he never barks. Scamp is a good pet is one complete simple sentence. He never barks is another simple sentence. Both are joined to make one compound sentence. Llama doesn't like cartoons, so she doesn't watch them. Llama doesn't like cartoons is one simple sentence. She doesn't watch them is another. Both are combined in one sentence, which I call compound sentence. Now the question is, how are the two simple sentences in each compound sentence joined? Examine them carefully. I have a comma plus a word, comma, word, comma, word. So I can say that a compound sentence is made when two simple sentences are joined by a comma and a connecting word. These connecting words are called coordinating conjunctions. It's a new term which you have to learn. Coordinating conjunctions are connecting words. Why do I have this shape? Well, it reminds me of a fan. It's because the coordinating conjunctions are 7 words, which are for and nor, but, or, yet, so. If I take the first letter of each word, I will get fan boys. You can easily remember all the coordinating conjunctions by using the acronym FAN BOYS. For and nor, but, or, yet, so. These are coordinating conjunctions or small words that combine two separate sentences into one. Now here's a table of the coordinating conjunctions with their meaning and an example on each. The coordinating conjunctions are for and nor, but, or, yet, so. What's the meaning of each? For means a fancy because. So for is the same as because, but it is a fancy one. Example, could you please pass me the salt? For my arm cannot reach. For means because. Notice how the two sentences are joined into one compound sentence using comma and a coordinating conjunction. We all know the meaning of and is greedy. It is adding more. I want ice cream, comma, and I want a cookie. This is a compound sentence made of two simple sentences joined by a comma and a coordinating conjunction. Let's move on. Nor, it's a new word. It doesn't like anything. For example, I will not help you now, nor will I help you later. But disagrees or debates. History class is boring, but it can be interesting sometimes. Or has choices. Shall we order fish or shall we order chicken? Yet is a fancy version of but. So yet means but is fancier. I was enjoying the party, yet I wanted to go home. Yet means but. So gives a reason or result. I went to the mall so I could buy new jeans. You have to learn the coordinating conjunctions along with their meanings so that you can use them correctly either in speech or in writing. So this is how a compound sentence looks like. It is a sentence, comma, one of the fanboys, another sentence, point. Remember to use a comma before the fanboys. Let's remember together. To sum up, a simple sentence expresses one complete thought. It includes a subject, verb, and predicate to make it complete. For example, Joe swam in the swimming pool. A compound sentence is two simple sentences joined by a conjunction. The conjunctions are for and not, nor actually, but or yet so. For example, Joe swam in the swimming pool and then ate lunch. Here are the fanboys. So far we have learned about simple sentences, compound sentences, and the way we connect them using coordinating conjunctions or fanboys. Now let's do some practice. In this exercise, you're going to label the following sentences as simple or compound. I want you now to pause the video here so that you take time to solve the exercise, and when you're done, you replay the video so that you can check your answers using the answer key. So now, pause the video. After you finish applying the exercise, check your answers using the following answer key. I hope you have them all correct. One exercise isn't enough because practice makes better. Here's another exercise. In this exercise, you're going to combine each pair of simple sentences to make a compound sentence. Remember to use a comma and the given coordinating conjunction in parentheses. The comma has always to be used before the conjunction. Again, I will ask you to pause the video here, and when you're done, replay it to check the answer key. Here is the answer key. So now we have a compound sentence rather than two simple sentences. We have moved from two simple sentences to one sentence. This sentence is a compound sentence made of two simple sentences joined by a coordinating conjunction and comma, comma, coordinating conjunction, comma, coordinating conjunction, and so on. Notice here how we did some changes in capitalization. Now is a very interesting exercise where you have to match each simple sentence from the left to a simple sentence from the right to make a compound sentence. Pause the video here to apply the exercise before checking your answer in the next slide. Let's check the answers. I hope you have them all correct. After we have finished the application, the exercises, now you have an assignment. Go to pages 23 and 24 in your grammar book and apply them. Don't forget that you have to send the homework to your teacher to be corrected and evaluated by her. Always dream big. Goodbye.